Let's do two examples of finding the Euclidean inner product or dot product of two complex vectors u and v in both directions. So we'll do u dot v and v dot u. We introduced this in a previous video. I'll leave a link in the description. Recall that u dot v is the sum of the products of the components of u with the conjugates of the corresponding components of v. So to see this in action, let's begin with problem 1 and we'll do u dot v. And by definition, it looks like this. We take the first component of u and multiply it by the conjugate of the first component of v. The conjugate just switches the sign of the imaginary part, so the conjugate of negative 4 minus I is negative 4 plus I. Then we take the next component of u, negative 2i, and multiply it by the conjugate of the next component of v. The conjugate of a real number is just that real number. It doesn't change, so we're multiplying by 5. Then we just have to multiply and simplify, remembering that I times I is negative 1. That gets us here. We have 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. 6 times I is 6i. 3i times negative 4 is negative 12i. 3i times I is negative 3. And of course, negative 2i times 5 is negative 10i. Once we combine like terms, we get negative 27 minus 16i. Now let's go the other direction and compute v dot u. By definition, v dot u consists of the first component of v multiplied by the conjugate of the first component of u. The conjugate of 6 plus 3i is 6 minus 3i. Then we take the second component of v, which is 5, and multiply by the conjugate of the second component of u. The conjugate of negative 2i is positive 2i. Doing the distribution and then simplifying, we have negative 27 plus 16i. You may recall that the complex dot product is not symmetric. The direction does matter. We see that u dot v is not equal to v dot u, but indeed it is the case that u dot v equals the conjugate of v dot u. We did have negative 27 minus 16i, but once we switch the direction, we have negative 27 plus 16i. All right, on to the second example. We'll begin with u dot v. And that looks like this. 2 plus I times positive I, 0 times 8 minus 4i, and 4 plus 3i times 7 minus I. We're taking the conjugates of the components of the second vector, which is v. After doing all of the multiplication, we get here, and we can combine like terms to arrive at 30 plus 19i. Now, once we switch the direction, we already know that our answer will be 30 minus 19i, but if we go through the computations, we can check our work. So going the other direction, v dot u looks like this. You can see that now we're taking the conjugates of the components of u. Conjugate of 0 is just 0. Conjugate of 4 plus 3i is 4 minus 3i. Do all of the multiplication, we get here, combine like terms, and as expected, we get the conjugate of 30 plus 19i, namely 30 minus 19i. And that's how to compute the complex dot product. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my linear algebra course and linear algebra exercises playlists in the description for more.